In this recording, in our series of drilling operations, we'll be talking about our levels. Now, in the levels, we have the following that needs to be taken into consideration. We have the upper level, drill depth, and we also have depth type. Depth type has three options. The first option is that the depth will go with the cutter tip going to that depth. Full diameter shows that the full diameter of the tool will go to whatever that drill depth is. And then we have the diameter value. The diameter value is, I can choose a diameter value on the tool. For example, the tool that I have now is a spot drill, and it goes from 0 to 12. But I only want a specific diameter of that tool to go to a specific depth. So let's go back to levels and let's start choosing. I'd like to have my upper level on this surface over here. And I'd like to have the diameter value. And what's the diameter value I want? Say I can click on that area, and I'm going to just click on this diameter to be exactly this diameter, 10.05. That's already including the chamfer that may be on that circle. And to what depth? I want it to go to this depth. In other words, this value of the tool will go to that depth. In other words, if we see again, the actual drill depth is 0 with that diameter value. Technology, I just want to use a regular G81, and we can see that we can choose from different drill cycle types from over here, but I want to leave it at G81. Now I'm just going to do save and calculate. Now let's take a quick look at our simulation, and I want to use actually the side view, and I also want to see it with the wireframe of the part. So I'll put this in wireframe, and let's see exactly what happens with the tool. The tool will go down, and let's zoom into this area over here, and we'll see that the tool goes down, safety distance above the upper level, and you can see over here the chamfer of that hole. If I go down to our next step, you see the tool will go exactly to that chamfer, which is the actual diameter value of the tool over here, and the chamfer as well. In our next recording, we'll be continuing on with our next operation for drilling.